Vitamin A, retinoic acid. Vitamin A is a group of compounds vital for cell growth, immune function, and reproductive health. It is most famous for its role in vision. Vitamin A is a crucial component of the light-sensitive protein rhodopsin, found in the eye's retina. Adequate intake prevents night blindness and supports clear vision by keeping the cornea moist and healthy. It maintains the integrity of the body's protective barriers, like the skin and the linings of the respiratory, urinary, and intestinal tracts, helping to trap pathogens before they cause infection. The richest source is beef liver and cod liver oil. For plant-based sources, the leader is usually sweet potatoes and carrots, followed closely by spinach and kale, as these contain the precursor beta-carotene. Other significant sources include eggs and fortified milk, vitamin D, calciferol. Often called the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is unique because the body can synthesize it when the skin is exposed to sunlight. Dietary sources are also important. The primary role of vitamin D is to regulate the absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the gut. This is non-negotiable for building and maintaining strong, healthy bones and teeth, and preventing diseases like osteoporosis. Receptors for vitamin D are found throughout the brain, and studies suggest it plays a role in regulating mood and may help reduce symptoms of depression. The body primarily produces D from sun exposure, but dietary sources are crucial. The absolute richest food source is fatty fish like salmon, trout, or mackerel, and fish liver oils. Other food sources include egg yolks, beef liver, and fortified foods like milk, cereals, and some orange juices. Vitamin E, tocotrienols. Vitamin E is the body's primary fat-soluble antioxidant. It's typically found in nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. As an antioxidant, it protects cell membranes from damage by harmful free radicals. This protection is especially important for maintaining healthy blood vessels and protecting LDL, bad cholesterol, from oxidation. Due to its antioxidant properties, vitamin E helps skin health by protecting against environmental damage, supporting wound healing, and keeping the skin hydrated. This powerful antioxidant is found in high-fat plant foods. The most concentrated source is typically wheat germ oil. Other top sources include sunflower seeds, almonds, and other nuts. Sunflower oil, olive oil, and green leafy vegetables like spinach also contain significant amounts. Vitamin K, menaquinone. Vitamin K is a set of compounds that are essential for the body's use of calcium in bones and are critical for coagulation blood clotting. It is necessary for the synthesis of several proteins that make blood clot. This is vital for stopping bleeding and allowing wounds to heal properly. Vitamin K helps guide calcium to the bones and prevents it from being deposited in soft tissues such as blood vessel walls, which is a key factor in cardiovascular health. The main form, K1, is overwhelmingly found in green leafy vegetables. The top food sources are kale, spinach, collard greens, and turnip greens. The K2 form is high in fermented foods, with the traditional Japanese dish, natto, fermented soybeans, being the most concentrated source globally, along with certain cheeses and egg yolks. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, a potent antioxidant that cannot be made by the human body. It is essential for producing collagen. It enhances the function of various immune cells, helping the body fight off infection and reducing the severity and duration of colds. T is a required cofactor for the enzymes that build collagen, the most abundant protein in the body, which provides the structure for skin, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. It significantly boosts the body's ability to absorb non-heme iron, the type found in plant foods, which is essential for preventing anemia. While many think of citrus, the richest sources are often certain peppers and berries. The highest natural sources are typically sweet red peppers, guava, kiwi fruit, strawberries, and oranges. Dark leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts are also excellent sources. Vitamin B1, thiamine. It's an essential coenzyme that helps convert glucose sugar from the food you eat into usable energy, ATP, supports proper nerve function, and is critical for the healthy metabolism of carbohydrates. Richest food sources: pork, especially loin and chops, sunflower seeds and other seeds, wheat germ, and whole grains like brown rice and oats. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. It plays a vital role in cellular growth and energy production, giving off a yellow-green fluorescent color, which is why supplements can turn urine bright yellow. Vitamin B2 maintains healthy skin, vision, and eye health, and is necessary for converting other B vitamins into forms the body can use. It is found mostly organ meats, such as liver, dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese, and fortified cereals. Vitamin B3, niacin. It exists in two forms, nicotinic acid and niacinamide, and is crucial for over 400 enzyme reactions, most related to energy production. Vitamin B3 helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels, the nicotinic acid form, and supports the repair of DNA and skin health. Richest food sources: poultry, chicken and turkey breast, tuna and salmon, peanuts, and fortified grain products. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid. It known as the anti-stress vitamin, it is essential for the synthesis of coenzyme A, a central molecule in fatty acid metabolism. Vitamin B5 critical for the production of hormones like stress and sex hormones, and aids in breaking down fats and proteins. It's easy to find in avocados, sunflower seeds, organ meats, liver, mushrooms, and broccoli. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. It involved in more metabolic reactions than any other B vitamin, playing a huge part in amino acid protein metabolism. Vitamin B6, necessary for creating many neurotransmitters that regulate mood and sleep, serotonin and dopamine, and helps the body form hemoglobin. High content is found in chickpeas, garbanzo beans, tuna and salmon, potatoes, bananas, and beef liver. Vitamin B7, biotin. It's best known for its role in beauty products. It's a key coenzyme for enzymes involved in the synthesis of fats and glucose. Vitamin B7 supports the health and structure of hair, skin, and nails, and is vital for processing the energy from dietary fats. Richest food sources: organ meats, liver and kidney, egg yolks, nuts and seeds, especially almonds, peanuts and walnuts, and sweet potatoes. Vitamin B9, folate, folic acid. Vitamin B9 folate, found naturally, or folic acid, synthetic, is a foundation for growth, as it's essential for synthesizing and repairing DNA and RNA. It's crucial for producing new cells and forming healthy red blood cells. It is critical for pregnant individuals to prevent neural tube defects. Contained in dark leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, collard greens, legumes, beans and lentils, asparagus, and broccoli. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. It's unique among B vitamins as it contains the mineral cobalt and is only found naturally in animal products. It is stored in the liver. Vitamin B12 maintains the myelin sheath, protective coating, around nerve cells, and works with folate to produce healthy red blood cells and DNA. Richest food sources: clams and oysters, organ meats, liver, beef and other meat, fish, and dairy products. Fortified cereals and nutritional yeast are excellent sources for vegetarians and vegans.
Thanks for watching the video.